Rivers flowing free, island hills where dreams must be. Ocean whispers calling me, stars above in cosmic sea. Sky so vast and deep alive, winds of change where hope survive. Mountains tall where eagles dive, God's own hand keeps us in drive. Nature sings a joyful tune underneath the sun and moon. Hearts entwined in life's sweet bloom. In this paradise, all commune. Rainbow shimmer after rain, plants and flowers in the rain. Birds sing melodies so plain, harmony with earth's domain. Sunrise paints the world in gold, nighttime brings the cool and cold. God's design we now behold, in this peace our spirits hold. Every leaf and every stone, everything has made us known. In this world we're not alone, love in nature fully shown. Nature sings a joyful tune underneath the sun and moon. Hearts entwined in life's sweet boom. In this paradise, our commune. Nature sings a joyful tune underneath the sun and moon. Hearts entwined in life's sweet bloom. In this paradise, all commune. Rainbow shimmer after rain, plants and flowers in the rain. Birds sing melodies so plain, harmony with earth's domain.